Narendra Modi is all set to hold the Prime Minister's office for the third time as he will be taking oath on 9th June. Global powers including the US, China poured in congratulatory messages to PM Modi for securing third term. Meanwhile, Taiwan also congratulated PM Modi, saying it looks forward to expanding, fast-growing ties between two nations. PM Modi responded to the congratulatory message and said that he looks forward to closer ties BW India-Taiwan. Rattled by the to and fro of messages, China called Taiwan an inalienable part of its territory. Chinese embassy in India reiterated that there is only one China and Taiwan is an inalienable part of it. China stressed that India is supposed to recognize and resist Taiwan authorities' political calculations on one China policy. Meanwhile, US on 7th June reacted to China's trigger action and said congratulatory messages are normal course of diplomatic business.
China has protested to India after exchange of greetings between Prime Minister Modi and President Lai from Taiwan. Following this, there have been several state and non-state actors going on social media and saying that India would have a price to pay. What do you say about the coercive and threatening behavior coming out of China on the issue?
So I haven't seen those specific reports, so I don't want to comment on them in detail, but I would say that such congratulatory messages are the normal course of diplomatic business.
India-Taiwan economic partnership has grown significantly in recent years as Taiwan considered India a critical partner. Both countries have also signed migration agreement to allow Indian workers to be employed in Taiwanese industries.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.